Our next song is When I Come Around by Green Day.